What's up, fellow vapers? Welcome back to the Freedom Vaping world. Today we are unboxing the Loadx, a cutting-edge device that's packed with innovative features and designed to take your vaping experience to the next level. Let's dive in and discover what makes the Loadx truly stand out. Let's start with the packaging, because first impressions matter. On the front of the box, you'll find the bold Loadx name, along with a clear image of the device. It also highlights some key features like 6,000 puffs and the TPD compliant label. The side showcases more details, including the 2+N framework, a breakthrough technology from Freedom, provides flexibility by offering the standard 2 ml capacity along with additional choices, catering to different user preferences. The pre-filled pod and container with 2 ml and 10 ml, visible e-juice window and adjustable airflow. There are important safety warnings on both the front and back to ensure everything's safe and sound. The packaging is sleek, functional, and reflective of the premium quality inside. Now let's open it up and see what's in the box. Alright, when you open it, the first thing you'll notice are two main components, a 2 ml disposable pod and a 10 ml container. Together, these form the innovative 2+N framework. Now this system is all about providing convenience and compliance, combining a high-quality disposable pod with a larger container for long-lasting performance. To begin with, let's walk through the installation process. For the first-time setup, it's super easy. Start by preparing your 2 ml device. Remove the cap and set it aside. Now grab your 10 ml container. Hold it horizontally with the red cap facing up. Carefully remove the red cap to avoid any leaks. Then simply align the 2 ml pod with the container and push it in until it clicks securely. You'll hear clicking sounds when all 4 clamps are in place. Once that's done, your Loadx disposable is ready to go. Just keep in mind, once the 10 ml container is attached, it's non-removable. Now let's talk about the design. The Loadx features a streamlined modular look that's both vibrant and modern. The device seamless snap-together design not looks great, but also feels premium thanks to the laser edge detailing, adding a bold visual touch. It's ultra compact and lightweight, making it incredibly easy to carry around. Whether you're out on the go or relaxing at home, it's your ultimate portable companion. The transparent e-juice window is another great feature. It gives you instant visibility of your e-juice levels, so you are always aware of when it's time for switching a new one. Now let's take a closer look at the screen display. It's super convenient, showing your battery life. This helps you stay on top of your vaping session and ensures you won't run low unexpectedly. But what really sets this device apart is the adjustable airflow. Whether you prefer a tight draw or looser, more airy heat, the Loadx lets you easily customize your airflow to match your personal vaping style. It's all about giving you control over your experience. Loadx has 10 flavors: cherry ice, blueberry soy raspberry, pineapple ice, strawberry kiwi, watermelon ice, menthol, kiwi passion fruit guava, triple mango, double apple, cola. As for the specifications, the Loadx is powered by a robust 650 mAh rechargeable battery, ensuring long-lasting performance. With up to 6,000 puffs per device, you'll have plenty of power to get through the day without consistently worrying about recharging. Besides, thanks to the upgraded mesh coil, it provides a perfect balance of vapor production and flavor concentration, making every draw smooth and satisfying. If you're ready to upgrade your vape, the Loadx is definitely worth checking out. If you like today's unboxing, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and click the link below to find out more. Also, make sure to subscribe for more high-quality vapes to come. Remember, enjoy freedom, enjoy Freedom.